Good morning! Welcome back to another vlog. I know, I've been so MIA, but I'm going to quickly ice roll and give you guys a life update because I have just been truly all over the place. Like, I just haven't found the balance that I thought I was at the beginning of the year. You guys know that I came back and I was like, yes, consistency is going to be my number one thing for 2022, but I just have so much on my plate right now that I don't know where to focus my, my all, basically, because I feel like I just have so much on my plate right now that I need to learn how to balance it more, because I know that I'm lacking in different areas in my life, like for example, my small business and also YouTube. I have been a little bit more consistent on Instagram and TikTok, by the way, so if you guys want to go ahead and follow me there, definitely do, in case I go MIA here from time to time. I am also trying to plan a wedding. I'll talk about that a little bit later, but yes, trying to plan a wedding has been just a lot. But today I have a million things to do around the apartment. I was actually away last weekend, so the apartment is a hot mess. I'm also going to be working on Nathalie today, so let's start with a good cup of coffee. By the way, if you haven't purchased an ice roller, you must. Like, now I understand the hype. This thing is so refreshing. My little coffee station also needs cleaning, but we did get some new pots. These are all the Colombian pots from Starbucks, and then we have the double espressos that Eric loves. We also got this one, the Melozio, I believe, and then they sent 2 free barista samples with our order, but let's make the Colombian today. All right, so I'm going to be having a quick breakfast this morning. My Greek yogurt, as you guys know, my favorite is the coconut cream with these organic toasted coconut granola, as well as my coffee. And lastly, of course, my multivitamin from Ritual. Today's video is sponsored by Ritual. I've mentioned them on a previous vlog before, and I honestly have been loving including them in my morning routine. I take 2 every morning, and I just love the fact that they offer different multivitamins for everyone in your family. So you can get it for the men in your life, for your mom. These are the 18 plus. They also have for teens, I believe, for 50 plus women, for men, and postnatal and prenatal vitamins. So honestly the best. As you can tell, I'm almost done with this one. So I have my backup here, but they have vitamin D3, E, B12, vitamin K, folate, iron, magnesium, boron, and omega-3. I'm most likely pronouncing some of them wrong, but I will be listing them here for you guys. I love that they include just the vitamins you need, and these are also vegan capsules. But my favorite part about it, because I'm such a bad pill taker, is the fact that these have a minty taste to them. Like, it just tastes really good. It doesn't taste like vitamins to me, which is my favorite part. So I basically just get a little spoon filled with yogurt, put it in, and take it every single morning. They were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. To be honest, you don't need the yogurt, but it's just been a habit of mine right now. All right, I took the longest break ever having my breakfast, so now I'm just going to rush and try to organize as much as I can to then work on some Not the Label stuff, because I really want to restock possibly on Friday. So really quickly, I do want to mention this is the best lip balm ever. So if you're looking for a lip balm that will work during the winter months, this is like all I've been using, and it's just so hydrating. Oh, by the way, another thing on my to-do list, I got a new phone and I need to back it up so that I can transfer all my files to the new phone. And I've had the new phone for like a good week, but I'm procrastinating it that much because it's just stressing me out. So that's another thing on my to-do list. more water, folks. All right, bed has been made. Coming to think about it, I do need to clean my office before I start. Oh my God, did you see all that mess? I know. I have a bunch of PR that I need to put away and unbox on my stories, and then my vanity is looking like this yet again. So let's clean it. All right, here is the before. I got a new package or order from Lulu's for a campaign, and then all of my Amazon packages and some PR, and then the vanity. So let's do it. Moving on to the living room, which is a hot mess, and I also need to fold some laundry, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. All right, I'm all done organizing the apartment for the most part. The living room, office, and bedroom are clean, as well as the kitchen. I still have some trash to take out, but this is what the living room is currently looking like. By the way, I'm so in love with baby's breath and like these olive branches. Such a cute combo. I also finally put my chessboard and books down here. I need to find a new decor situation for the top of the TV stand because I ended up putting these vases that I had in the living room up there. So yeah, for now, that's what it's looking like. The little globes are lit up. They look nicer at night, but I am just going to be leaving them there temporarily just because I honestly like the vibe that it gives. And then onto the office, everything is pretty much clean. This right here is still something that I'm working on, but I'm now going to work on not the label really quickly and figure out how much inventory I can make for the restock. So let's do that. Just finished writing down all of the inventory that I have left for the cozy blankets. I'm going to be restocking it one last time, so hopefully this video goes live in time for you guys to get your hands on it if you haven't already. I know that these sell out really quickly, but I think this is going to be the last one till next winter. I still need to go to my storage unit because I have a lot more yarn there. And I also have new yarn that I don't know exactly what I'm going to be making with it. It's like cozy yarn. I wanted to make pillows, blankets, or scarves, but I feel like it's just way too late for it already since spring is right around the corner. So yeah, pretty much just going to be working on the cozy blankets for now. I honestly need to start crocheting ASAP because I always leave things for last minute, and I tend to crochet as the orders come in, which truly stresses me out. But right now, while I have the time, I'm going to start wedding planning and basically giving you guys a little update to what's going on wedding related. There's honestly not a lot of updates. I haven't started planning just yet, like fully planning, because I am in the hunt to find a wedding planner, a destination wedding planner. But I want to show you my actual wedding planner, like book wise, that I ended up getting, and I'm really excited about it. All right, so here is the planner that I ended up going with. My maid of honor actually gifted this to me, so thank you so much, Ivani. But I ended up going for a binder rather than a regular planner because I feel like this is just a lot more practical. You can add while you continue to plan and just, you know, move things around if you please. And the actual planner is just so cute. On the side it says our wedding. In the front says future Mrs. Fisher, our names. This is where it's from. It's on Etsy, but I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested. I am just so in love. I'm gonna quickly run through it. It has a bunch of different tabs, calendars and checklists. You can add like the days of the month here. This right here has to be one of my favorite parts because it basically breaks it down by month. So 12 months before the wedding, 6 to 9 months before the wedding, 3 to 5 months before the wedding, 1 to 2, and wedding weekend. And then here is the emergency kits checklist. Next is the budget tab. So it has the ceremony, reception, flowers, decor, photography, events, honeymoon, attire, gifts. Here are the payments and purchases, attire and beauty. So we have the wedding dress shopping, bridesmaids, dresses. You can add pictures here if you want. Wedding hair. It has a checklist for the groom as well, which I feel like I haven't seen on many wedding planners. Ideas and papers. Here we have like basically your mood board where you can add pictures, save the date cards, wedding invitation, stationery order. Next tab is events and guests. So a guest overview. You can write your guest list tracker here, save the dates, mailed invites, RSVP, meal selection. We have here a destination bachelorette party checklist, packing checklist, the big day. So you can write your wedding timeline, ceremony, reception, honeymoon, and vendors and notes here. And then all the way at the end, you can add either some business cards or just paper as you go along your planning journey. All right, so wedding updates. Honestly, there's not that many. I haven't truly started like planning or anything. Like I mentioned, I just got the wedding planner, the actual physical book. I am hoping to find an actual wedding planner, like a destination wedding planner, because we have decided on having a destination wedding. It's honestly still up in the air because like what if I find the perfect venue here in New York? That'll be amazing. But for now, I am leaning towards DR and hopefully I can find a wedding planner over there. I've been having a few consultations with different wedding planners over there and I'm still indecisive. Like I'm not fully sold on any and they're so expensive, you guys. A lot of people say that having a destination wedding is a lot cheaper, but it's not. And wedding planners are making a lot of money. They're charging a lot, let me just say that. I have to say that I am really obsessed with this one wedding planner because she made this wedding that I found on Pinterest and I am just like over the moon about. So I really wanted to hire her. I had my consultation with her, but I just feel like the communication is just not there. Like it's either people in DR take it really chill and easy and just don't communicate as quickly as we do here in the States, which that's what frustrates me because I feel like it's just not a good first impression. Like I don't feel like she's as invested or as interested in finding a venue or for me to save the date quickly. I'm trying to get a couple other consultations and see if I find someone better or just as good as her, just because I'm just not sold and she's not really giving me many updates. And to me, honestly, if that's the situation right now, I can only imagine how it's going to be after I pay her. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't even paid the lady and she's not showing a lot of interest, that after I paid her, maybe she's also going to go MIA on me whenever I message her. All of this is just so frustrating. I now understand brides and also a few of the wedding TikToks that I've seen going around of just like the stress that planning a wedding brings, and you know, like other people's opinions as well. It's just a lot, but I'm trying my best to take it easy because I know that some more stressful months are coming my way. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to share about wedding planning at the moment. I will be making a wedding planning series, so my first episode is going to be like a full-blown update whenever I find a venue and an actual wedding planner. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out Ritual's multivitamins. Everything will be linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye.